Regular drinking of saffron milk, these 10 health benefits will shock you. Just 1 glass of warm milk with a pinch of saffron helps in fighting several health ailments. In this video, I will talk about the amazing health benefits of saffron. To know the complete details, and recipe to prepare it, keep watching this video until the end. Saffron is also known as Kesar in many Asian countries. It is one of the most expensive spices used as a coloring agent. Adding it to your food not just gives a tinge of orange-yellowish color to your food, but this comes with a whole lot of health benefits that you probably might not be aware of. In order to derive its benefits, saffron can be added in your regular food. However, the best way to consume saffron is to add a pinch of it to a glass of warm milk and then drink it. Let's check out the major benefits of drinking saffron milk on daily basis. Number 1. Helps to treat insomnia. Saffron is rich in manganese and is known for its mild sedative properties that help to relax the mind and induce sleep. This helps in fighting insomnia and helps one to get a sound sleep. Number 2. Helps to improve memory. Due to its rich compound called crocin, saffron is known to improve concentration and memory. In order to get its maximum benefits, instead of adding saffron to your regular food as a spice, it is always better to drink a glass of saffron milk on a regular basis. Number 3. Relieves menstrual cramps. Saffron is known for its rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking a cup of warm saffron milk helps in getting rid of the abdominal pain, menstrual cramps and also heavy bleeding. Number 4. Helps fight depression. If you are suffering from depression, then consuming a glass of saffron milk on a regular basis helps in effectively fighting depression. Saffron is rich in carotenoids and vitamin B that help increase the levels of serotonin and other chemicals in the brain, which helps fight depression. Number 5. Good for the heart. Saffron is rich in crocin, a compound that is known for its rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies have shown that crocin helps in reducing the cholesterol level in the blood and helps in preventing any heart-related diseases. Number 6. Helps treat cancer. It might come as a surprise, but saffron helps in treating cancer. The crocin and saffronal compounds contained in saffron are known for their anti-cancerous properties. Consuming saffron on a regular basis helps prevent the growth of tumors, and it also acts as an immune modulator and protects the body from cancer. Number 7. Reduces arthritis pain. Saffron is known for its rich anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming saffron milk on a regular basis helps the tissues to get rid of lactic acid and thus reduces the inflammation and arthritis-related pain. Number 8. Boosts the immune system. Due to its rich nutrient content and antioxidant properties, saffron helps in boosting the immune system. This apart saffron is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Adding a glass of saffron milk in your daily diet, preferably before going to bed, helps. Number 9. Controls blood pressure. Saffron contains an important chemical called crocin that helps in promoting the smooth blood flow, thus keeping the blood pressure under control. Number 10. Helps treat cold and cough. Saffron milk is one of the best options to treat sore throat and cold, especially during the winter season. Milk is rich in protein, and saffron with its immense antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties helps in effectively treating cold. These are the 10 important benefits of drinking saffron milk regularly. Now let's check out the recipe to prepare this drink. To prepare saffron milk, take 2 to 3 strands of saffron, steep it in a cup of warm milk for about 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of raw honey and then drink this before going to bed. However, one should note that saffron should not be consumed in excess. Just 2 to 3 strands of saffron consumed per day is enough for you. This way you can get more benefits from drinking saffron milk. Let me know, which is the best place to buy saffron in your city? Share your experience in a comment box. If you like the information, please hit the thumbs up button on the video to support us. You can share this information with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to this channel for more useful videos for your health. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.